DNN TV. I'm gonna tell your friend. Subscribe. Yo. DNN. I'm gonna tell your friend. DNN. Back at it again. DNN TV.
You okay, this stuff? Come on. Yeah, you okay, stop it.
DNN TV, and this is a boy Adobe Beats back at you again one more video. And as you can see, the dog is in a UK, they cold like ice. Enough youth want to feel them feelings of Rasta. Is what I say. And this is a part few video for the one I'm going to do the other day. You know what I mean? Visa free for Jamaican. And as I try to say is we should have a book that no visa should be in it and we can go all over the world with no hustle when we reach the airport. You understand what I say? Yes, man. Because right now as I try to tell my nation, say Jamaica, if a youth can fly, what would he choose? The GUN or the visa? You see what I say? Yes, man. And I have a good idea what they would choose is the visa. No man no want a gun rasta to put themselves in a problem higher. You see me I say? And right now I watch a little thing where they go viral on the YouTube thing there, you know what I mean? And me I say, you them park up in one little driving parking lot there. Petrol jam. Allegedly. You know what I mean? Like them I say, the youth them a lay wait a man for dirt him. It, you know, a next co-worker. Put a hit on a next co-worker. I mean, I look at myself and I say, brother, if them brother there, they could have free for flag over the world. Them wouldn't have time for parking in the parking lot Rasta. If you lay wait no man for police come catch them and come give them a sentence now right now. There's no Christmas for them right now. Right, behind bars them gone. I know sir, if them have them thing from day one if you could have fly. Then a fly gone a long time, gonna look opportunity in life. Right? But take a look and tell me how you feel and what you think about it. Jaja, so I try to show you my people. And the youth them that know no, give them freedom, you know. Because I never go say them freedom. You know? Them give them freedom. You see me I say. Behind bars them gone now for much years now, you know. Career, life, mash up now, you know. Young youths. Because the easiest thing ever get a GUN, man. And a man give a thing and say go dirt no man there. Easy. Why it couldn't easy? If you can't get a visa for fly out. That me want to know. Why it not easy to get a visa for fly out? But it easy to get the wrong stuff them. Enough youth to not think twice for do crime. Me I tell you, enough youth to not think twice, man. You know, this is my campaign for Jamaica people and the government, man. Free up the people them for the people them can travel the world, man. I make them can understand what's going on in the world because if they one place too long and nothing go on. It's like, you know, one box higher. So me I say, and you know, I'm tired for the youth them and give them freedom, Rasta. Them freedom, cause them dumb right now, you know. Yeah, so me I say, yes man, them kinda dumb right now, so them I give them free and them dumb, you know. Like the next one of me I see now, I don't know how long no one here go on, but the next young youth again, I get draped up by the system. I get thrown in one squad car to go behind bars again. Check it out.
Hold him, squaddy, hold him, squaddy, hold him. Hold him, squaddy, hold him. Hold him, squaddy. Yeah, man, fling him in that jeep, the squaddy, fling him in there. Hold him, squaddy. Hold him, squaddy. Run off my bike and then catch them, you know. run off my bike. Hold them and squad it. Hold them.
Judge, so what me a talk about Jamaica. I want more you that gone again, you know. And the brother who have video it, it's like him sound happy too, because of the youth don't fall. To me, the system don't fall. Because me know if the youth them have a chance to make a move, man, them nah go do them look of stupidness, yeah. You know what I mean? Man, nah go say everybody perfect, you know. And everybody I go do right, you know. Yeah, people go do wrong, you know. But I like so much people I go do the wrong like how them I do it now. A few, man. When I no sense, you know. But enough good youth out there right now when me know the man them really want help. The man them fed up. You know? The man them fed up, yeah. Man them look work. Can't get no work. Them do get a little work. The work now pay enough. And the boss boy I deal with the man them all wait. You know? Boy, I never go sit about Garrison and get it because that's the one little name where them put pan we for all we down. You know what I mean? It's a community. Yeah. You see, the community where I'm from. I don't want an easy place. I want a dangerous place. But enough youth down there will deserve better. But what? Them can't get better because the system set a way upon them where we can't even walk in pace. Officers them come on a whole we are way and a deal we are way. And we're not criminal. Because we come from the community there. Yes, man. Just because we come from the community there. The man them say we are bad man aya. Yeah. So innocent youth we not do nothing. Just because we come from the community. We are bad man. And I can remember one time when my boy, I walk up in the town there. Well neat. You know, my shirt tucked in and my pants. 2 years, me. Brother, me a cha boy, you know. Yes, man. And me a tell you, say, we a walk up in the town there, go look to a girl and thing, is it? And me a walk and me a see the boys when blow me, I say, Jaja, do not make them call we. I'm sitting my virgin say, you hear me now? Tell them so we come from Portmore. Because Portmore at the time they just build up, you know. See? And as people with money over there because also they dear. Yes, Rasta. The man them say, you boys, come here. I said, ja. So take the time I walk, go over there to them. Where you come from? My boy said, that community there. We now call her name, you see? What? How not bad man there? How not show people? How not? Go back down. I said, brother, the man push me and my brethren in front of people. Push we off like so we really kill the people. I said the man deal with you know. I said the man push me, man drag out my clothes out of my pants. I can well tuck in it, you know. Man said, go back down where I come. Yeah, man. The man said, go back where I come from. Cha, you train even though I feel that way. I said, brethren, so I tell the telephone where we come from. Portmore. Man said, brother, I told me they kind of scared, still, you know. Say, no, brother, I kind of understand 2 years, okay, you know. I know it fail. You know what I mean? It fail away. And that's why I say, look into ourselves now, man. We need free up. No freedom, you know. Free up. Yeah, man. We need to start deal with the youth some more better than this government. You know? I wanna pressure the youth them to turn now on base. Yes, man. And, you know, I don't like what I want. I don't like what I want. Every day it go on and it break my heart. Cause look upon this again.
Get them, Reggie. Show them what bees do. Show fucking them. Okay. Yo, fucker. Okay. Alright. That motherfucker.
Jaja. So what me I talk about? One more that again, you know. Gone down the drain, you know. Behind bars, you know. Undercover cop, wall him, you know. I don't really know what he's doing, but as what me I say is this, you know. The youth them they have options can travel the world. We have not the time to go rob nobody or protect nobody life, yeah. You know what I mean? I'm gonna say, yo, just try buy me like a painting when we can make a move now. Yeah. Simple. 1, 2. You know? And as what me I try to say is this. Crime would be low. Cause, you know, crime there everywhere in the world. But Jamaica, to me, if the youth them they have a better mindset for can go other places without no world down behind it, Rasta. Me I tell you, it would be better. Yeah, man. I'm out.